Firstly, I want to provide a good environment, a relaxed environment in the classroom for the kids, because I want them to be happy to come to First Leap and not dread it like most kids when you go to school. I want to be able to help build some of their character, learn what they like and what they don't like. And how we do this is by inspiring their curiosity within the classroom, being curious about what is this, what is that, being curious about the world and the people in it. With that, we can also build their confidence, not just confidence in who they are from building their character, but confidence in their work and confidence in what they want in life. It starts from a very young age. You can see what the children are like. We want that confidence so that they can walk out into the world and speak to whoever they need to speak to and whoever they want to speak to, and therefore get what they want done. So it's not just about teaching them English, it's about teaching them about the world and the people in it.